wants to.
Benzene?
Yeah, I have benzene.
Benzene here?
Yeah, I have benzene.
Okay. 100. 100.
Yeah.
100 peonia. Hier gaan.
Oh, there we go. You came here, that's why. Okay, bye-bye. Ah, here's my little good luck charm. Oh, come on, little Freyja. Why do you do that? You get stuck sometimes. That's okay. It happens. All right, we are definitely not on a main road. And this pass is amazing. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I get to see this in my lifetime. Oh my gosh, this land is untouched. All right, we are riding through one of these small villages up in the mountains. Look at these motorcycle dudes. They got crews all over the place. And they might have smaller bikes, but they are still diehards to the sport. We have, let's see, a general store, a fruit store, a regular convenience store, some houses, and that is, woo-hoo. Oh my gosh, these guys go way too fast. They go way too fast on this tiny mountain road. So when I go through blind curves, I have to honk because they just cut the corner. And some of them have even almost ridden into me, and they'll like move at the last minute just because their cars are so big here. They're like US sized cars, so they have the power to go fast, not like European cars. And so these folks take advantage of it. I have to take precautionary measures, blind corner, honk, let them know I'm here, so they don't squish me. Try to wave at everyone. So the family that invited me to eat with them when I was pulled over taking photos, like we ate, well, they already ate, so they fed me. And at the end, I gave them all stickers. Thank goodness I had enough in my wallet. And then after, he was like, do you want money? And he like started reaching to his wallet. And I was like, wait, what? Like, I don't want money. And it's the most peculiar thing to me in Kurdistan. Like, I've been offered money so many times. And I don't know if that's customary for guests, or maybe they look at me like, oh my gosh, this girl doesn't have food. She hasn't eaten yet. We gotta give her money. I haven't figured out what it is, and I haven't really asked anyone yet, but I've been offered money at least 3 to 5 times. Like 5 times so far. And this is always after like they feed me. And I'm just like, I don't want money. You gave me the only thing I need, food. Just because I'm just adventuring so much, and I don't know, eating is like the last thing. Look how cute they are. Hi. These are healthy, happy cows. So yeah, that's very unique to Kurdistan. The only other time I've been offered money is right when I crossed, oh, hold on, checkpoint. All right, of course they stopped us and they had me pull over. Okay, so the usual pattern is They pull me over, they take my passport. Sometimes they give it back to me right away, but most of the time they have me pull over, get off my bike, and then I'm waiting for something. And just now, the moment I get off my bike and I do a U-turn and I park, which takes me a lot, by the way, because I can't touch the ground and I can't move. I can't waddle on this bike with my big toes. The bike is just too heavy for me. So it takes a bit of effort, and right after I do all that, they give me back my passport. So they don't understand. Nobody understands that it's hard for me just to even do those simple things. Oh my gosh, how... Okay, we gotta slow down. The cows rule the land here. Just chilling, they're not even scared. Look how cute they are. Oh my goodness. Look how healthy they are. That coat, that luscious coat. And they're such peaceful creatures. Look, no one's charging at me. Look at this guy. This guy looks pregnant. This guy's probably a girl. They eat well. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. Ah. I can't believe I get to see this in my lifetime. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh. It's just so beautiful. Oh my god, it's so pretty. See if they stop us. We're not stopped. Because he saw me at the last minute and I kept going. I'm not doing anything. I'm just looking at stuff. Literally. Alright, we got 42 minutes left. 16 miles. That means it's windy for that type of distance and a length of time. And hopefully we find a good camping spot by the lake. And we gotta get some food. I gotta get some fruits and vegetables in me. What is this guy? Look at his transport. It's so woo. No, 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 no. I don't want it. I just want to see. No, 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 no. I just asked him what it was. I didn't. No more. No more. Thank you. Thank you. Maybe I'll see you in Naranja. Maybe, yeah. Okay. What a nice guy. I'll see you. Huh? Chi? See you? Chi? I have no idea. Okay. Okay. Bye-bye. It's a Tiger 125. Look how nice his U-turns are. I'm gonna put this in my jacket. Okay, so I was I hope he made a sale. No. Okay, so I was pulled over just trying to figure out where to go, and then he passed me, and then he made a U-turn, and he gave me bread. Ah! People are so nice to me. I get nowhere fast. Okay, so I was fiddling on my phone. This guy came back. He wanted to make sure I was okay, invited me to eat. And then this family saw me. I don't think I could. So this family saw me just over here, and they invited me to eat. I get nowhere fast. I get nowhere fast. So cute. The family is so welcoming. They fed me, and now this is where I'm sleeping tonight. Okay, good night.